it in order to reduce this debate to an issue of minority versus majority? But most importantly, is it in order for the state of Kiambu to suggest that it is the senators from the minority side who are demanding for the impeachment of the deputy governor of Siaya? And Mr. Speaker, can he actually be able to give that evidence, alluding to all these honorable members who I think that in this house are just as honorable and as reasonable and as passionate and are committed to the Constitution, the same way I am seeing the honorable members from the majority side who I really respect. Mr. Speaker, I will request you to rule on that.
Now, honorable senators, you know, if we avoid these side shows, we can prosecute the business before us so well. Now, Senator Karungo, the senator who spoke and contributed to this motion from the minority side is only Senator Enoch Wambua. We don't know, at this juncture, we don't know the rest, whether they are supporting or they are opposing. So to make a blanket statement that the minority has a position and therefore impute a motive, I think to that extent, Senator Karungo, you are out of order, and proceed to retract that statement. The statement that referred to the minority side as senators who are here to remove the deputy governor, but otherwise for other businesses, they're not there. I think I've seen a lot of consistency